I love you so much. Thank you for my family. Thank you that they go to church with me. And please help Tiffany's daddy to go to church with her mommy. And I love you and thank you for everything that you've done. And amen.
Jesus makes our lives so much happier and takes away the fear. You could put a really big straw in it and stick it right down in the middle, and then you Oh, I go to church every Saturday morning. Do you? Yes. Last week, my mommy was baptized.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Oh, yes. And now she says, please pray for my daddy. He's not a Christian. You can turn your orange upside down and squeeze it and squeeze it. And you could get some orange juice too. God protected him, didn't he? And you know what? Sometimes when I'm afraid, I like to sing. And it helps me. Oh, squeeze hard. Oh, squeeze hard. Oh. Okay, now drink that. We can love Jesus, for he is sweet and holy. Here, Emma, you got to taste it? Did you get it?